About this item: magnetic wireless charger and USB-C PD20W charger and aluminum charging stand, complete charging solution in one product. Includes USB-C PD20W charger and aluminum stand with removable MagSafe charger. It's what you need to charge your iPhone 14, 13, and 12 series. Hot tips: the USB-C PD20W charger offers 20W for wired charging, but only 7.5W for wireless charging using the MagSafe. This desk stand fits our proprietary charging pad only, not for original Apple MagSafe charger or any other brands. It converts from a charging stand to a charging pad. Creatively combine wireless charging stand and wireless charging pad in one product. As a wireless charging stand, you can put your phone vertically or horizontally while charging. The wireless charger can also be removed from the holder and used as a magnetic wireless charging pad. A variety of usage methods for you to choose, designed for iPhone 14, 13, and 12 series. Full compatible with iPhone 14/13/12, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 13 12 mini, iPhone 14/13/12 Pro, iPhone 14/13/12 Pro Max, AirPods 3 and MagSafe cases for the iPhone 14/13/12 series. Snaps magnetically into place to ensure perfect alignment and a strong hold for stable and efficient charging. Up to 7.5W fast and safe wireless charging. This magnetic wireless charger can charge iPhone 14/13/12 from 0% to 100% in 3 to 3.5 hours, based on our lab tests. Almost as fast as the original Apple MagSafe charger. Intelligent ETL certified chip securely protects your phone from overcharging, overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating, and short circuits. Fast and safe charging. Intelligent design. The upgraded magnetic force of the wireless charger will hold your phone firmly, it will not slip off. The rubber pads located in the center slot and base of phone holder protect your phone from scratches. The 5 feet built-in long cable allows you to freely operate your phone while it's charging. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: magnetic wireless